What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by Autobahn. My name is Max, and today we've got another visitor from the UK. This is Mr. Vanos. Steve has brought his BMW M5 F90 to us to have some fun with, and it is a freaking beast, this car. Mr. Vanos is very well known in the UK. He is like the leading BMW engine specialist over there, and he does a lot of cool projects, engine rebuilds. He works a lot with Evolve Automotive as well. That's actually how we got to know Steve, which is amazing. Mr. Vanos focuses on older BMW engines, like older M3 E46s and E36s, but also stuff like this. So this car actually has their 1000 horsepower daily driver package. Basically, that is what I'm going to call it. So it's very durable, it's very usable. You can do it on pump gas, and it is just amazing. Now, one little disclaimer: this is not an M5 CS. It has the gold accents and it has the like matte green wrap on it. It even has a badge here, but Steve promised me that it is going to be taken off. But man, it looks cool. It's such a handsome car still after all these years. Absolutely love it. Love the yellow DRLs as well. We have that in our shop. You can check that out. I'll link the product in the video. And then we've got these Vossen wheels as well in that golden tint. Very, very nice. Behind that, we've got regular steel brakes, no carbon ceramics, which kind of worries me with 1000 horsepower, but Steve assured me that they work really well. We've got Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires wrapped around that, and we've got KW suspension. Love the stance. That looks proper good. Carbon mirror caps, carbon roof as well. And then look at that fitment at the rear. Very, very good. 295s at the rear, 21 inch. We've got a full Akrapovic exhaust as well, so some proper sound too. Oh, we're on the wrong side, of course. Never going to get used to that. So, let's check out the engine. The S63. Engine rebuild 2023 by Mr. Vanos. Now, this car has done 15,000 miles. So what is that, like 24,000 kilometers with this setup? He's done 424 quarter-mile runs, all between 9.9 and 9.3 seconds. This is their development car, and it is being used properly. They even do stuff like switch off the methanol at 150 miles an hour just to see what happens. They put like 56 psi on the intake manifold, stuff like that, just to see what would happen and what might be a potential issue. So that is really cool, and that kind of underlines that daily driver, durable 1000 horsepower pack idea. I really love that. Apparently you can really run this reliably, which just amazes me. These engines are amazing. So what we've got is, as you can see, some CSF cooling there. We've got an Eventuri intake, very nice, of course, carbon fiber intake. We've got Evolve Decat downpipes, and then engine wise, this is actually like a drop-in package. So they only changed the rods, and you don't have to balance the crankshaft after that, because they just changed the rods. So you take the pistons out, rods in, pistons in again, then the head bolts have been done, and the turbos by Mr. Vanos as well. And then you've got a stage 2 gearbox on this car with a different clutch pack, but you can also run this with stock gearbox, which 4 or 5 clients of Mr. Vanos are actually doing, and they're running the same 100 to 200 times, and it's working fine. But if you want to go further, you definitely need to uprate your gearbox. But this is quite amazing to me, how with relatively small changes you can run this kind of power reliably. But that's of course also down to all the testing that they do. That's what makes this reliable, of course. So we have a snow performance methanol readout here, pushing around 1000 horsepower. In here we've got a lovely Alcantara steering wheel, which I think is also a CS wheel, and then Evolve pedal shifters behind that. Very nice. So let's start it up. It's not even that loud. Okay, so let's go Sport Plus. Maybe we'll just use Steve's things. DSC off, 4-wheel drive, Sport Plus, Sport. Okay, let's go for this one, M1. That should work. Let's head out for a little drive. It's my first drive. I haven't driven it yet, so I'm going to experience this with you guys, which I always love to do. But before we hit the Autobahn, I just want to show you guys this. We have revamped our workshop because we started a new company called Evolution M, which specializes in BMW parts and tuning. Of course, it is the Autobahn headquarters with garage. And this video has been sponsored by FloorMaxx because these guys have completely transformed our workshop with this amazing floor. This is their PVC tile industry. It is 7 millimeters thick. It is super durable, super strong, and it is specifically designed for workshops, garages. So this is the perfect solution for us. You might remember the floor underneath this is just a very bare concrete floor. It had about 4 different colors and it was not in great condition. So what happened is they started measuring everything to make sure that everything would fit. They then started repairing little cracks and holes in the floor with quick drying cement, so the floor would be relatively level. And then they started laying them. I mean, it took us longer to get everything out of here than it took them to lay the floor, because it took them like 3 hours. Super professional. It was amazing to see the finishing around the lift, for instance, has been done really well. You can have your company logo on there, as you can see, and you can also have it on one tile. So that also looks pretty cool. We might do a little scatter of logos here and there, but as you can see, this is like proper durable stuff, and it locks into place with these like swallow tails. So FloorMaxx has 15 plus years of experience with this stuff. They have it for all different kinds of shops, workshops. They even sell ESD tiles, which is like electrostatic discharge. So if you have a laboratory, you can also have stuff like this. So big thanks to FloorMaxx for hooking us up and transforming our workshop. If you want something like this for yourself, you can also have it in your home garage. Just have a nice looking tile to upgrade your garage. Check out FloorMaxx. They have a special discount available for you guys. So if you use code AUTOBAHN, you get a discount. Check out the link in the description and enjoy the rest of the video. We're going to head out to the Autobahn. It is 10 to 8 in the evening, so it should be nice and quiet out here. We do have some rain coming, so I hope I will beat that rain to show you guys what this thing can do. Of course, we're going to take it relatively easy on the first run. That's a good sound, I would say. It's very healthy power for like 50% throttle. Oh, I always love driving crazy cars like this because there's just so much like reserve. When you hit the throttle, oh, you're like, oh, there's a bit more there. There we go. It's not even that loud. How is that possible? Oh. I don't think brakes are going to hold up that many runs, or at least that many brakes. So we need to take that into account. Look ahead. How is it still this like civilized? Is it like mega loud outside and am I just not noticing that? What is happening? It's a very civilized car, this. I was expecting it to be like a little bit more wild. This is crazy. Oh yeah, okay, so it's very loud outside. It's just very well insulated. So, oh, okay, yeah, it is a bit of a beast. It is. It's just a very civilized beast. Oh, that bang on the overrun, on the throttle release is crazy. So an M5 is freaking fast as hell, stock, but this is like, oh, this is next level. Look at it, just stretch beyond the 300 km/h mark there. Oh, 330 there. I am not really at ease with those steel brakes. I can just feel them. I can feel that pedal changing. Oh, God. Yeah, okay, here we go. Concentrate a lot harder than usual because I'm sitting on the right side of the car. I'm sorry if I'm a bit quieter than usual, but I'm just trying to focus. So that's 330 again. Again, I have to brake. But this thing is running like a train. Oh my God. It's like I can't get over the fact how civilized it is. How is it this normal? I mean, it feels weird. It feels like it's not like right. It feels like something is off. That's very strange. Okay, I'm just going to change the head-up display settings real quick. And then we're going to turn around and, I mean, what the hell is happening? I feel like I'm way too underwhelmed, but it's just, it's so civilized, it's so dramaless. Head-up display, M view. Yeah, so I've got a rev counter in the head-up display, which is nice. Oh, I mean, I'm driving a car that's doing like 4.7 second 100 to 200 runs, which is just outrageously quick. But it's doing it like with so much ease. This has to be like the least intimidating 1000 plus horsepower car on the planet, which is cool. That's why it's a good daily, of course. Okay, so 6th gear, foot down. Oh, that's ridiculous. That takes off. Oh my lord. That is totally outrageous. Oh, and it's so stable at these high speeds. It's just incredible. This car is so good. Oh, this car is insane. This is the best, like, car to do this with. I mean, it's insane. How am I like doing multiple runs and doing 330 like it's nothing? There we go, full throttle, a lot of space. So that is 330. As you can see, I think it's just the end of the speedo. I think it's going faster. 342. I just did 342. So there we go, again on my favorite bit. This bit I know best. This is where we can go fast. Oh, it just runs so good. Look at those numbers, they just keep going. That's 330, but the GPS one keeps going. Have to brake here for this car. I don't know how much that was GPS, not 342. Oh, but that is it. I'm not going to punish this car anymore. This thing is incredible. This thing has been built properly. Wow. What a privilege to drive this car. It really is. So relentless, so unfazed by what I'm doing here. I've been going for like half an hour, like regular pulls, hard pulls. This thing is built properly. Wow, I am amazed by it. I really am. It feels gorgeous. So if you have an M5 F90 and you want something like this, well, if you want this, go check out Mr. Vanos in the UK. He can build you a hella fast M5 competition that runs incredibly well. This is properly insane, okay? The fact that I've been doing this for half an hour and the car just doesn't give a peep. It's perfectly happy doing this. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. What a car. Oh, Steve, my man. So crazy, and it does it all like it is nothing. So impressive. Okay, I'm going to end it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye guys.